Welcome. If you're running ads on X, formerly known as Twitter, and you want to stay on top of your campaign performance, this guide is for you. In this video, you'll learn how to turn on ads campaign notifications right from your PC. This update makes it easier than ever to keep track of your ads without constantly refreshing your dashboard. Let's jump right in. First, open x.com on your web browser and log in to your account. Once you're in, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see several icons and options. Click on Notifications. This is where all your interaction alerts usually appear, mentions, engagement updates, and messages. But what we need is a bit deeper in the settings. Inside the Notifications section, look for Settings and click on it. You'll be taken to a new page with various options that help you customize how notifications work for you. From here, go to Preferences. This area controls what kind of alerts you receive and how they are delivered. Next, click on Push Notifications. This is the section that manages the updates you receive while using the X platform on your browser or mobile. Scroll slightly until you see a category called X for Professionals. Under this section, you'll find an option labeled Ads Campaigns. Now, make sure the checkbox beside Ads Campaigns is turned on. When this option is enabled, you'll start receiving notifications related to your ad campaigns directly through X. That means you'll see important updates like campaign approvals, results, spending alerts, and more. All without needing to open Ads Manager every time. And that's it. You've successfully turned on ads campaign notifications on X's web platform using your PC. It only takes a few clicks, but it helps you stay informed, make quicker decisions, and take the stress out of monitoring your ads manually. If this guide helped you, take a second to like the video and share it with other advertisers who might find it useful. Thanks for watching.